In Tokelau, fishing is not just a means of survival, it is a way of life. With no farms on our islands, only small pig farms mainly used for village ceremonies and family occasions such as funerals and weddings, the sea has always been our primary source of food. Growing up in Tokelau, especially as a male or taumalo, learning to fish is a duty and an essential part of our identity. Every male is expected to master the many traditional methods of fishing. Tokelau is known for its deep knowledge of the sea, not only the techniques of fishing, but also the understanding of the seasons, tides, moon phases, and sea levels that guide when and how to fish. A taumalo must learn all these skills, because in Tokelauan culture the fish, the ocean, the moon, and the time are all deeply connected. Fishing is not the same experience for every taumalo. Some of us grew up without fathers, without access to canoes, and had to find our own way to learn. We had to stay close to our uncles or others in the village who were willing to teach us. In Tokelau, fishing in the open ocean is not something you can just do. It is tapu, taboo, until you earn your Kaukumete. The Kaukumete is more than just permission. It is like a certificate given by the totai, the master fisherman. But it is not handed out easily. It must be earned. The totai observes you, guides you, and when they feel the time is right, when you've shown the skill, respect, and understanding, they will grant you your Kaukumete. It is a powerful moment of recognition, one that connects you to your people, your ocean, and your responsibilities as a Tokelauan taumalo. To be a taumalo is to be deeply connected to land, to reef, to lagoon, to ocean. It is to carry forward the wisdom of our ancestors and to live with purpose, strength, and service to our community.